Okay, so let's just consider the case of a real line number representation. We have 0 over here, and when we will move towards the right hand side, then the next positive number that is representable is called the minimum positive number, and I will call it plus x minimum. Similarly, if you will go beyond or to the maximum limit, thus the maximum positive number is represented as positive x max. Similarly, if you will move towards the left hand side, then the next number from the 0 is actually called the the maximum positive negative number. And similarly, if you will go to the limit, then you will have the negative minimum negative number that is representable in the single precision. Okay, any number that will fall within this range from 0 to minimum positive number or from 0 to minimum negative number will be called falling in the or causing the underflow. Means the number is actually very small and it is not representable in the computer system, and for such types of the numbers we actually use the denormalized format. Similarly, if any number that will go beyond this range or this range will be called or causing the overflow. Okay, so let's say if I want to represent the number x is equal to 2 raised to power minus 128. So you can see clearly this number is actually less than the minimum positive number representable in the single precision, because the minimum positive number is minus 2 raised to power 126. Okay, 2 raised to power minus 126. So now this number is actually causing the underflow, but the computer can represent this format by denormalizing the number. It means we can also split this representation to the minimum range of the number that is representable, like 2 raised to power minus 2 into 2 raised to power minus 126, and then you can write it as 0.01 into 2 raised to power minus 126. Now you can see clearly the mantissa portion is actually not having a hidden bit. Okay, so whenever 0 is here, because of the limitation of the representation of the smallest positive number, we actually denormalized it to the minimum possible number representation in the form of 2 raised to power minus 126 representation. And now the pattern that we will be storing, or the bit pattern that you will be having, is like that. The sign bit will be equal to 0. Okay, in the exponent portion all bits will be 0, while in the mantissa portion you will be just writing the 0 1 0 0 0 0 and so on. So if you actually match this format with the table, you are having C is equal to 0, F the fractional part is not equal to 0, and the value of E is equal to C is equal to E raised to E minus 127 is not available or not applicable in this format. Mantissa is stored as 0.5, and you have the number representation like minus 1 into sine into 0.f into 2 raised to power minus 126. So you can decode the number using this approach now. So in this way, how the underflowing numbers are represented in the single precision method.